So we just got our ButcherBox delivery. Let me show you what's in it. We got, this is grass-fed beef tri-tips. Got a couple pounds of ground pork. That'll be great for making sausage. Got actually a lot of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. These are my favorite for quick and easy dinners. They can go straight into the Instant Pot from the freezer. Got a whole chicken. That'll be good. I might put that in the Instant Pot too. A couple pounds of grass-fed ground beef. Got some pork. This is very frosty. That I got to make pulled pork with. These are, oh, that's the pork butt for the pulled pork. So this must be the ribs. So I ordered some baby back ribs. And then we've got bacon. That's my husband's favorite. I did a custom box so I could pick everything. I didn't get too much beef because we've got a little bit left in the freezer. But it's really convenient to get this stuff from ButcherBox. Have it here. It's ready to go in the freezer, and I don't have to go shopping for meat.